Wow.
Is it going?
Your old birthday.
Wow.
Now eat it. Show him how good it is.
Look, Jackson. Look, it's on your fingers.
Mama, can I eat one of the balloons?
I was trying to get his shirt off and he was too fast. Yes, you can eat one of the balloons. Ooh, frosting. Uh-oh, sticky hands.
Where's my hand?
Sticky hands. Eat it.
No,
I hate sticky hands. I don't like sticky hands.
Yeah, I'm going to cut him a piece that he can take over to his chair.
Wash my hands, wash my hands. No, no. Oh, no. Hi. Oh, boy.
Yeah, get all those keys all sticky.
Yeah. No. Oh, what are you feeding me? Jackson, look. Jackson. Look. What's that? That's enough. He won't put things in it. No, don't grab the flowers. Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's not a very... He doesn't...
Now.
He's not tactile oral. He explores tactile, but not monkey.
Run away from it. I don't want my birthday cake.
Wash his hands, Mom, so he can enjoy himself.